Time's now 12:17. Let's get back over to Peyton.
And Leslie, we continue to see the remnants of Beryl move away from our area through the Midwest this afternoon with a lot of rain and a tornado threat for us. More isolated, scattered showers moving on through. And these are some heavy showers moving through the city right now. We got a heavy shower moving uptown. Same thing for Metairie, but they're moving. That's the good news. So as long as we can keep looking like this, our flooding threat will be mitigated, but still some rain as you get out the door here in the city right now. The causeway is going to be wet right now, and we've got some showers up in St. Tammany from Covington to Slidell, getting up towards Stennis, and even a shower near Bogalusa. You're not escaping the rain down in the Bayou parishes either. We've got some rain along 90 from Terrebonne through Lafourche, and these will continue to move off towards the east. Notice we're starting to see some breaks behind this batch, so eventually this will wind down, but scattered showers continue through the afternoon. There is that risk for some locally heavy rain, but once again, as long as we can keep all this moving, we'll be just fine. Tornado risk is going to be another big problem to our north today. Beryl's been a prolific tornado producer so far. Yesterday it was up in the Shreveport area. Today it's going to be around the Louisville, Kentucky area and near Indianapolis. So right in here is where the tornado threat is much higher for today, with the remnants of Beryl moving through that area. And then tomorrow, those remnants produce a tornado risk in northern Pennsylvania and into New York, even into parts of New England. So that'll be interesting to see how that evolves. At the end of the day, Beryl's going to go down as a historic storm. There's no doubt about it. It was the earliest Category 5 on record. It was the earliest Category 4 on record. It was the only Category 4 to ever form in June. There's so many of these records. Tornadoes may be another feature. What you're looking at here is every tornado warning that was issued yesterday as Beryl moved across East Texas, and then look at all the tornado warnings in Louisiana. There was over 100 tornado warnings issued just yesterday alone. Now, it's going to take some time for them to do all these surveys to determine actually how many tornadoes that this hurricane produced, but it could end up being a record breaker. What you're seeing here are the top 5 biggest tornado outbreaks from hurricanes or tropical systems. Number 1, Ivan. You remember that in 2004? It produced 120 tornadoes. Also notable storms. Rita produced 98 tornadoes. Katrina produced 59 tornadoes. And there's a good bet that Beryl does produce somewhere in these numbers. So not only historic with its intensity out in the waters, but once it made landfall, could be historic as well. That number will take some time to get. Now, with all the speak of the tropics here, and we're still forecasting an extremely active season, we're going to get a break for a little while. I think 1 to 2 weeks of a break. In fact, a lot of Saharan dust out here. The environment in the Atlantic just isn't conducive for tropical development right now, so we're going to enjoy it while we can. And not to, have bad news off that, but we're only right here. We still got so far to go, and it's just a reminder that really the peak of season isn't until late August and into September. So we'll take it week by week and enjoy it while it's quiet, while it is quiet. Our 7-day forecast, watching for those scattered showers to continue the rest of this afternoon. I do think additional showers will pop up tomorrow, especially on the South Shore and near our coast. North Shore areas have a lower chance of rain tomorrow. Thursday and Friday, we're going to get back into more seasonal weather with just a few pop-up storms, and look at the heat. We'll be in the mid-90s for the weekend. Big heads up for boaters. Small craft use caution this afternoon, but other than that, the winds will begin to settle Wednesday and Thursday.